Okay, my review on the Anycubic Kobra Max. It is brilliant and you will not be disappointed. I'm reprinting the owl of the SD card that they gave you, and the reason for that, I've already done it once on the initial build, but it's because I've moved it into a whole new location and re-leveled the bed. I just want to make sure that everything's good. I'm not going to reprint the whole of the owl. I just wanted to get the first few layers, just make sure that everything's looking good, and by the looks of it, it's very smooth, looking great. What is there to say about it? The build is secure, the tensioners are great, the uprights definitely add extra stability. As you can see, the build plate is perfect. Yes, it would be better with a flexible plate, but if I'm really honest, give it time, take your time with it, let it cool down. Your prints have pretty much come off. Obviously the bigger the print, the little bit extra help you might need with the spatula, but other than that, let it go, let it print. And that's the Kobra Max. Definitely a go-to machine at the moment. Anycubic, whatever you're doing, keep doing. I'll be interested if there's any other new machines coming out. That'd be great. Head over to my channel, like and subscribe.